Hey, Tech Library viewers! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll explore how to manage notifications on YouTube so you never miss an update from your favorite channels. First, open YouTube in any browser. This is where you'll find all your notifications. Now, let's clarify the difference between notifications and the subscriptions feed. The subscriptions feed shows recently uploaded videos from channels you're subscribed to. Notifications, on the other hand, inform you about new videos, updates, and content you might like. To customize your notifications, click on your profile picture. Go to Settings, select Notifications. You will land in your Settings application. Click on Notifications again, then Enable Notifications. Now go back to YouTube and enter your notifications feed. After whenever any channel you have subscribed post a video, you will get a notifications instantly. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the world of tech with Tech Library.